All right, welcome back again. This is going to be a short one, right? So we're trying to do the ScoreKeeper Lab, and what I want you to do is I just want you to use your ScoreKeeper Swift project, make a copy of it, just like we did with the color sliders, and then go in and convert it to be all an Objective-C code. To be honest, it's a pretty easy assignment. So you'll kind of have, the Swift code that was here before, and then you'll have your new Objective-C code, which I'll choose not to show you. And then what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go in to the storyboard and make sure to actually be using the Objective-C version instead of the Swift version. So the process is just like it was before. Break all your connections, switch to the new view controller, and then write the code in that view controller. As far as what it does, you should already be pretty familiar with what it does, right? It should work just like it did before. It's just using Objective-C code. So, you can add scores to things, and what it'll do is it'll actually use totals at the bottom. So, it's pretty easy to understand what this thing's supposed to do. It's the same functionality, just with the new code. Make sure you kind of run it a little bit in the Swift code and make sure you get all the details. So like when you hit new round, it actually displays round 1 here, and then as you make these things happen, it says round 2, and make sure it all like works correctly, just because you're actually writing the code this time instead of being given the code. And you can actually access all the details by clicking on this link, and it'll just kind of take you through step by step. So once you've kind of got that thing done, you'll submit it on Moodle, you'll show it in class, of course, but you should have a good introduction to what is Objective-C all about. So we'll tackle the great gory details like next unit, but I just wanted to let you make an app, get something under your belt, just so you can see there's semicolons, there's brackets when you call functions, there's @ symbols on strings, there's all these major shifts in the things you're going to see in your code. But to be honest, you can do a lot of the same things. There's not fancy features, but it's very useful language. All right, that is it for your introduction to Objective-C. Been around for a long time. You're definitely going to need to know a little bit about it. So when you go to Stack Overflow and you see Objective-C examples, you can figure out how to convert them into Swift. All right, that's it. See you next time. Go finish the lab. Bye.